So for problem number 3, I will have to show that A, that the argument does A or C, and then A implies C, and then B implies C. It will lead to a conclusion that it's C. So these are my premises, and while this is my conclusion. To write this in a tabular form, just for now.
And no comma right here. That looks good.
Okay. So just to design this, just to show this properly, A and C, then B, C, and then A, C, and then B, C. Since these are the premises, to provide a counterexample, each one of this should be true while C should be false. Now, to show the proof of a counterexample, we need to make sure that the conclusion will be false. So suppose that C is false. And then, so suppose that C is false. That will not, for the premises should be, if we have C as false, then these two premises will not be true. Can be true, but only if, okay. Just to reiterate, suppose that C is false. Just to recall, A implies, this one has a truth table value of if A, B, the implication one only has a truth value of false if the first one is true while the second one is false. Now, for C to be false, that means C has to be false, and then B has that means C will be false here. So in order for A, that since
we say A only if C.
Oh yeah, since A only if C and B only if C will be cannot be true. Oh wait, no. Suppose that C is false, then A only if A if C and then B if C.
They're going to be true.
Oh yeah, if they're going to be true, then A and B, then A or B should be false.
Yeah, they both have to be false.
Yeah, they both have to be false. But then that would contradict with the first premise, since for A or for this premise to be true, then either A or B should be true.
Right.
So suppose that F is false, and then we make A if C and B if C true. Then A or B, since for the second and third premise to be true, A or B will be false, since both A and B have a truth value of false, meaning that such a counterexample cannot exist, and then this argument is valid.
All right, good. That's it. You're done.
And then for a truth table, yeah, okay. A, B, C. Okay. So for the first premise, since A and B, since A or B, since for this first premise, it will only be false if both A and B are false. This will be false, and then everything else will be true. For A implies C, or A if C, it will only be false if the unexpected is true and then the consequent is false. Meaning this will be true, false, true, false, and then everything else will be true. Same thing for the third premise. B should be true and then C should be false for it to have a false value. So then everything else should be true.
Okay.
It's a mismatch here. There we go. Now, as we can see, for an argument to be valid, every premise should be true, and then its conclusion C should be true, and then looking at all of our valid arguments here. We have this one, then this one, then this one, and then this one. All four arguments when in truth table back in truth, looking at all four cases. When all four cases where the premises are true, we do not see a case where the conclusion is false.
Good.
That means the argument is valid.
Right. All right, that's it. Is that the whole problem?
Yes.
Okay.